there. Sorry. We have a dinosaur problem here, people. That's to be expected. It's Jurassic Park, so it's usually how it goes here. If you've never seen these movies, well, spoiler, the dinosaurs don't exactly stay in the cages. That is a major plot point for Jurassic Park. One other thing you're going to notice, whenever the dinosaurs escape in the Jurassic Park films, it starts raining, right? This happens in every movie. There is
6 Points, Texas. Cool and cloudy in Little Europe. I love you, blah. That's your forecast for today. Now here's a look at what's going on in your neck of the lot.
Oh, whoa. Wait a second. He's saying we should look out for a flash flood. Are you kidding? That's ridiculous. What we're seeing on the left, you guys, this is how we create rainfall that doesn't look like real rain. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay, he was right. I'm sorry. If you're sitting on the left, you should duck. Always trust your local weatherman. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the flash flood, come on.